Hey, how's it going, guys? Today we're gonna go over how to draw, okay? It's gonna be simple, easy, step-by-step for beginners, okay? So, stick around, it's a very short lesson, and we're gonna hop right into the video. Let's get started. Hey, how's it going? Today we're going over how to draw Sonic dabbing. So, let's go over it and get started, okay? It's gonna be easy, like I said, and let's do it. First thing I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna draw the top of Sonic's head going down. And I'm gonna draw, well actually the first thing I do is draw the hand. So right here we're gonna go over here, we're gonna draw a line out. That's gonna be the top of his kind of back finger there. Go over here and I'm gonna curve in right here for his finger there. Go over here, start a straight line for the other finger, curve in, other finger, curve in, right? So it's gonna make that kind of shape. Gonna go start on this side for the palm. Curve like that. Go over here and I'm gonna pull out the thumb. Over here. So you have his hand kind of going out that way. Over here the wrist now, moving back, and I'm gonna draw kind of an M shape, just like an M. Oopsie. Over that. It's gonna be the cuff of the glove, like so. I'm gonna merge it on this side. Go over here. Right on. Sweet. Now I'm gonna go to kind of the head over here. It's gonna be tucked in, right? He's gonna aiming down. So I'm gonna go over here and pull an angle out that way. He's got a pretty big head. Out over there. Does the brow. Curve for the top of the brow here. So right here I'm gonna go curve. And I'm gonna go over here and pull a spike. Just one right here. So I'm gonna do that. So let's go over here. Slight hump. Right? For the spike there. Before I get back to that, let's get to the other side over here. His eye is gonna be showing, right? He's got a huge eyeball. And so that's gonna be shown over here. I'm gonna pull up. You're gonna see the top of that eye curve down, but you won't be able to see the the actual part of the eye, like the actual pupil and iris. Go over here, curve for the top of that brow, fold for the top of that brow. Let's find the ear on, let's say about here, and then we're gonna end it here. So it's just gonna be like a cone shape. All right, so it's gonna go up over here this way. Slight curve back down to earth here. Inside right here, straight line. Same cone shape on the inside. Far end over here. Like so. All right. We go back right there for that spike, and then we're gonna pull another spike right there. We're gonna pull back here, back this way, line over there. Right on. We're gonna show his arm go around here because he's bending his arm. So his arm looks like a tube. All right, so I'm gonna go over here, straight back. Line in, okay. Then now we're to the outside of his arm. Line over here. It's gonna curve back over here, okay. Don't forget, hit the subscribe button, click the bell notification. If you like learning how to draw, I go over a lot of different stuff. I go over like Sonic, Godzilla, I go over dinosaurs, I go over pretty much everything. If you don't see it on the channel, let me know and I'll make a video for it, okay? They're all like 5 to 8 minutes, all short stuff. So there's no downside to subscribing, so please consider subscribing. If my time is, if your time is valuable, or if you find being here valuable. Straight line over here for the arm. Curve, remember the arm is a tube. Same M right here for that cuff of the hand, and it's gonna disappear behind that. The hand's gonna come out on the back side over here, out. Curve the end of the finger over here underneath for the thumb right there. Over here. Out over here, in. Line here. Alrighty. Gonna go back on this side. Back, in. So I'm gonna go out here, in. Outward, right there for the spike in the back, right there. Gonna go over here, form his body, so it's gonna be like a U shape, kinda. Curve underneath here. But I'm not gonna go all the way because I also gotta find his leg here. Leg here. Continue that curve for the lower body, then go line down, line down. Continue that curve. All right. Gonna go over here for the tail, it's a triangle, and then now we're gonna go for the coloration on the stomach. So it's like a curve along here. Try to make it a little bit thinner than normal. And then now let's go line, straight line, and then we're gonna do the same cuffs that were here, but on the feet right here. Boom, boom, like a 3, backwards 3, 3, backwards 3. Close them off, close them off. Don't forget to hit thumbs up, by the way, if you like this. Also, check out the cute drawing ebook. There's an ebook on how to draw something kind of cute, and that is in the description, okay? It's an ebook that really goes over that stuff, proportion. So something like big eyes on like a proportional head. It's not just like a big head. It's like you know, you're kind of tipping the scales, like bigger eyes, smaller mouth. There's a whole graph in that ebook. It just kind of shows it. Once you see it, you're like, boom, you got it, right? It's a completely free ebook. That's gonna be the first link in the description. Go over here and I'm gonna pull a line out, in right here, up for the foot. It's very triangular. Down, out, over here. Now I'm gonna go curve, curve for the striped line, curve, curve, and there you go. That is sonic dabbing. You can draw maybe a line over here for the, you know, hopefully you learned that. Hopefully it was relatively easy. Give the thumbs up if it was. Say hi to me in the comment section if you're hearing this right now. And if you want to help the channel out, please share the video. When you share the video, it does a lot of cool stuff. You know, it kind of shoots it out there to more people, and it brings back a lot of amazing people as well. So thank you so much. Make a request in the comments and I will totally do it. Talk to you later, and I'll see you very soon. Later. Keep it safe.